Happy New Year to you too. I didn't say that it took the sheen off the year. That's a very different way to look at it. I said, apart from those 30 minutes, it was a great year for Indian cricket, and the kind of things we achieved is something that, as a team, we're very proud of. And we understand even the 30 minutes that we spoke of, you play that good a cricket for the whole tournament, and then on a given day, sport can do that to you. So I think as sportsmen, we understand that it's important to respect that. It's important to process it in the right manner and move ahead, because all we can do is give our best, and sometimes things are supposed to happen for you, sometimes not. But yeah, having said that, we want to continue the same things that we did in the last year that's gone by, and we have put the team on the right track in terms of being the team that everyone wants to beat across formats, and that I think is a very exciting position to be in, and that is something that we want to continue. Keep the standards of the cricket that we've played as high as we have in the past couple of years, continuing it forward, because it's very important to understand there's a lot of young influence that's coming into the team now, and they need to be able to take the same culture and the same mindset forward. So I think these little transitions keep happening, and we want to embrace them and make sure that the guys that are coming in are on the same page and they get up to speed as soon as possible. So I think these are the few things, as I mentioned before as well, to keep growing these younger guys into guys who will take this team forward in due course of time. So I think the main focus is that for us now, and obviously the ICC tournaments that come along with it are something that we are keenly going to target to be at our best as well.
Virat, in the last 1 year, injuries haven't been kind to Shikhar, and in the meanwhile, KL has gone and scored 44 runs. It's a happy headache to have, because eventually you'll reach a stage where you'll have Rohit, Rahul, and Shikhar in the side. So, has Rahul's form forced you to rethink the opening combination, or are we still looking at him as a backup?
Well, I think, look, Rahul's done really well for himself, and I think it's a great sign for the team that he's coming into his own, and we know how good a player he is, what he can do with the bat. At the top of the order is very solid. So I think we're all very happy that he's got runs so consistently. Look, these things happen in cricket. Someone gets injured and another guy comes in and grabs his opportunities and starts playing really well. So I think it all boils down to who's batting well at that particular moment, because you want to go into a tournament or a series with the strongest 11 you can think of or you can compile. So look, Shikhar has been unfortunate in terms of injuries, and he's been an experienced player, but that's the dynamic of how teams work. There are 15 guys in the squad, and not everyone is going to be able to play because of reasons all the time. So everyone understands that. Everyone is very aware of that. What's important is for individuals to keep focusing and working hard on their game, because things can turn around at any stage for anyone. So I think it's all about having the belief and staying in there, knowing that an individual's opportunity will also come. As far as this series is concerned, it's pretty straightforward. Both of them will start, but when Rohit comes back, it's going to be a difficult thing to address, because Shikhar has been an experienced player, but KL's playing so well. So I think we'll have to decide what is the best combination that we can go with, and who are the best 11 to take the field.
Virat, today was the first day you addressed the team in the new year to the practice. So could you please share what you will say?
Well, we spoke of